This prawn and pumpkin Masak Lemak Cili Padi is a classic Malay dish turned golden by the touch of fresh turmeric. Together with the creaminess of coconut milk and the heat of bird's eye chillies, this delicious dish opens your senses to the flavours of Malaysia. Hi, and thanks for dropping by. A Masak Lemak Cili Padi is a delicious Malay dish that is made with vegetables or something non-vegetarian or a combination of both in creamy coconut milk with bird's eye chilies. It is a tasty dish to break fast with this fasting month. My dish today is a combination of prawn and pumpkin. Come, let's go and make the prawn and pumpkin Masak Lemak Cili Padi. To start off, let me wish all mothers a happy Mother's Day. I'm going to pound an aromatic mix with some ingredients. Firstly, 8 shallots. I'm now cutting them up for easy pounding. 6 cloves of garlic, also cut up. 5 green bird's eye chilies. 25 grams of fresh turmeric. It's the addition of the fresh turmeric that gives this dish its brilliant color. Let's now pound these ingredients to make the aromatic mix. The Masak Lemak Cili Padi is a traditional Malay dish said to have originated in Negeri Sembilan, which is one of the states in West Malaysia. The bottom bits of 2 stalks of lemongrass. I'm not pounding the lemongrass, just bruising them to release their essence. 4 wedges of pumpkin weighing 400 grams. I'm cutting the pumpkin into triangular shapes. Oh, by the way, you don't have to cut them into triangular shapes. It's just me. "11 prawns, shelled and deveined. 1 fresh red chilli, chopped. 2 pieces of turmeric leaf. I'm removing the spine of the leaf to make it easy for me to roll the leaf and cut it into slices. This is the pounded paste. I'm going to fry this on a low-medium flame in 2 tablespoons of oil. Adding 10 grams of roasted belacan. Belacan is a fermented and sun-dried shrimp paste made with shrimp and salt. It has a strong smell, so be sure to open your windows when you cook with belacan. Add 20 ml of water and increase the flame to medium. The souring agent used in this recipe is the asam keping. So now adding 2 pieces of asam keping into the gravy. If you wish to know more about the asam keping, please refer to my video on the vegetarian fried bihun. I will leave the link in the description box below. The pumpkin goes in first because the prawns take a very short time to cook. Adding a further 100 ml of water to help the pumpkin cook. Let's not forget the salt. When adding salt, bear in mind that the belacan is also quite salty. Let's now cover and leave the pumpkin to cook in that flavorful gravy until it is 3/4 done. Is the pumpkin 3/4 cooked? Let's check. Yes, it is. It has taken the pumpkin 7 minutes to become 3/4 cooked. I'm adding some water to the pumpkin. I want a more liquid gravy so I can flood my rice with it. (200 ml of pure white and creamy coconut milk going in. I just rinsed out the packet of coconut milk. Let's now stir to combine the ingredients. It's now time to add our quick cooking prawns into the sunshine infused gravy. Don't you just love that vibrant yellow color? Just like the coconut milk and the bird's eye chilies, this vibrant yellow color is a hallmark of the Masak Lemak Cili Padi. Now that the coconut milk and prawns have gone in, we cannot cook this gravy for too long because the coconut milk will separate and the prawns will get overcooked and rubbery. As the coconut milk is coming to a boil, we add the finishing touches, which is adding the turmeric leaves. Let's stir the turmeric leaves into the gravy, thereby allowing its fragrance and flavor to infuse into an already flavorful gravy. Let's check for salt. All good. Turning the stove off now. The red chilli is going in now to give another burst of color to an already eye-catching dish. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another video, selamat berpuasa, stay safe, bye.